Hi everybody, my name is Jen Jones and this is the newest dance, Desesperado, Desperate for Your Love by myself and Novi. I'm going to turn around and do the tutorial. Our weight starts on our left. We're going to do side together, shuffle forward, side together, shuffle back. That's your first 8 counts. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Second count. Second section is we're going to do what's called around the world. So you're going to shuffle to the right, quarter turn over the left, shuffle to the left, quarter turn again, shuffle to the right, quarter turn, and shuffle. That count is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. The third section, but first let's put the first 2 together. So it's side together, shuffle forward, side together, shuffle back, around the world. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. We end with the weight on our left. Third section, you're going to rock cross. Rock, recover. You're going to chasse to the right, side together. And then you're going to step, quarter turn, step, quarter turn, and cross and cross. Cross and cross. That's your third 8. That section, weights on that left. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And the last section, we're going to step our right over our left and do crossing shuffles. So it's cross, step, cross, step, cross, step, cross, step, quarter turn, shuffle forward. Okay, so that section we've just finished. And we've got our weight. So now we're going to do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Put the whole thing together. So it is, with the count, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We have a few restarts, and in the demo, I will show you those. Thank you.